Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. If this is your first time coming up here, welcome. And in this video, I will show you how you're actually going to enable developers options on Chromecast.
Before we continue,
Let's get
a
started.
quick reminder.
So we're going to head
If
over
you're
to
using a
quick
smart TV,
settings
Fire Stick, or
and all
Android TV
settings.
device,
For the
I highly
Chromecast,
recommend using a
if you wish to
VPN.
enable
A
developer
VPN
settings,
helps
we're
protect your
going to hover
privacy,
over to
secure your
system and then go
connection,
to
and keep
about.
your personal data safe
From about, you
while
just scroll
browsing
down
or
to the bottom
streaming.
of this list
I
where you
personally
find
recommend
OS
NordVPN.
build.
It's fast,
So this is the
reliable,
build number
and
of
works smoothly
Chromecast.
with TV devices.
You want to click on
I've
this
put
build
a
number
special link in
7
the
times.
description. If you
After
want to
clicking on this
check it
7
out,
times, you
do
have
so
developers options
right now.
turned on.
Let's get back into
And
the
I'll show
video.
you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That enables developer options, and you can do all of the options restricted only for developers. To confirm that that was successful, just come over here on system and you should find this new setting which was not previously there. You find developer options. From here you can enable developer options. You could even keep the screen awake so the screen will never sleep. OEM unlocking is possible here. So the picture color mode can be changed from the current color grading to sRGB. Debugging settings are here and everything you can imagine as a developer. So basically that's how you enable developers options on Chromecast. If that was useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.